Hi, welcome to this tutorial on iPhone forensics. Today we're going to be exploring the dynamic text.dat file for keylogger-like information. The iPhone has a text-based file that stores the most common used words by the user that are not recorded on the dictionary. iPhone has predictive language, so you're typing something and it predicts what the following words are going to be for common used words like run, pass, jump, and it stores them on a special dictionary, right? So the ones that are not recognized by the natural dictionary, it creates your own dictionary and saves the most common words that are used by you in another language, in slang. So the next time the iPhone recognizes, it knows you've used it before, and it lets you type it without correcting or trying to correct the word. This file is called dynamic text.dat file, and it's under the library folder on the file structure of the iPhone backup. We're gonna do that today. We're gonna explore this file and we're gonna see what we can find. First step is to again run the backup extractor and look for the backup file that you are working on. This case, it's the third one, which is Charo's iPhone, and we're gonna wait for the process to be completed. Um, we're gonna explore a different side of the iPhone extractor today. It's gonna be the expert mode. The first the first and default image or GUI window of the iPhone extractor is the most common used available data, which are the photos, contacts, and SSMS, and all the most commonly looked for information. But we're gonna go to the expert mode, and it's only available for a full purchase license, and it gives you a detailed file structure of the backup, which is very similar to the live analysis uh, if we were to do one. We're gonna go to the library. Each of these plus signs contains all of submenus, which the first one's what applications, and it stores information about every software that I've installed in this computer. It's the Disney fireworks and like all these bunch of games that I've installed, and each of them have a library of its own and preferences and connections and cookies. So this is important to see what kind of applications you're running, what kind of software you've installed, and if you are allowed or not allowed to install games on your iPhone. This is a perfect way to look for that. But today we're going to look for that special file called dynamic text.dat file, and it's under the library folder, and the submenu would be keyboard. And here we go, the dynamic text.dat file. We're going to extract these two files. These are recognized by a Nero icon on my computer. That's just the association I gave to this extension .dat file. We're going to click on both of them, and we're going to click extract selected. We're going to click desktop, and we're going to click OK. It says two files were restored from backup successfully, and gives you the path. It's on the desktop. We're going to click OK. We're going to minimize everything, and we're going to look for our two data files, and they're going to be under temporary files, under library, keyboard, and here we go, dynamic text file and the ES dynamic text file. We're going to open them. We're going to right click, open them with the notepad. And here we go. It says Disney Kids Spot the Glow Hockey, Angry Graveyard, Little Toy Cake, Princess, Cable Max Television, Cable Sent 6 foot, 7 foot, Put It Down on Me, Who Is That Chick, Black Yellow Whiz, and That Scent. It's just gibberish. All these are maybe because I had it in my pocket and he typed it by himself, but it's it works like a keylogger, but it's not a keylogger. See football picante right here, picante. Fruit. That's a TV show I typed in on Justin TV to look for the other day, and it's here. It's it's really amazing the stuff you can find here. Sometimes it has complete sentences. We're gonna explore the other one. We're gonna open it with the notepad also, and this is a more full version of the dynamic dictionary. As you can see, it's full of words. Jugando de laza, la mujer de la mesa tiene muchas veces pienso deber jugar. La escuela me corriste, la practican tácticas para suministrar en enero. It's just a lot of information, a lot of information that should not be available to anybody but me. And anybody that gets a hold of my iPhone can get a copy of this and look for passwords, look for email accounts, look for just any sorts of phishing, and it's scary to the point that the iPhone should not have this type of files logging your most used words. I know it's for predictive purposes, but this incriminates a lot of people. This incriminates a lot of users, and this is the first file that the iPhone forensic people are going to look for, the dynamic text file, and it's available. It's here, and it's both of these, and this can be presented in federal court, in criminal cases, in front of a judge, and a judge can decide, hey, does this make evidence for the accusation, and it's going to be allowed if it's presented in prior time and with the proper documentation. But it's just amazing the type of information you can find here, and all these are words typed by me. I remember most of these words, and most of them are complete sentences, which is worse. You can save these. You can save them as Word files. You can copy them. But here you go: dynamic test and ES dynamic text. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed sniffing around the iPhone.